Hello everyone, welcome to my MDF1 Class 1307 Project 1 review video. This week we got into using table views as well as the edit functionality, being able to delete different cells from that table view and then going into a additional view with details about each item. We had the chance to do it on whatever we wanted. So I went ahead and did a back to school app for supplies. I figured back to school time is coming up. Stores have everything out there. So that gave me my 20 items. And I just went through for the code. My custom cell, the color I set the background as wasn't quite working. It wasn't going through. So I set it as this green and it wasn't working. So I went ahead and went into the viewcontroller.m and I manually set it. So I kind of cheated a little bit, did a workaround to get it to do it properly. I couldn't figure out why it wasn't transferring over. But I went ahead and did an array of the items and then an array of what they are. Personal items or class items for the little class wish list most schools have. And then I went ahead for the details, did an array of the additional information. And then going to the detail view controller, I just did a basic label for what it is, and then a label with the background for the additional information. The only thing I probably could have done better is definitely graphics. I'm not a very graphic oriented person, but I did the best I could. It took a while to refresh my memory on how to use Illustrator and Photoshop because it's been quite a while, and I know that takes the longest for me usually, is to do up the icon and the launch screen. So I went ahead and did that first, and that was the most time-consuming thing. So I think that was probably a good idea on my part to do that first. Other than that, though, just the custom cell. It's really bugging me that it isn't transferring the color over, and I had to actually manually set it like that. But hopefully in the future I can figure out what caused that and correct it. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and demonstrate on my iPad. The RS here is my icon for I called it Ready School Tracker. Click on that. Popped up real quick. So I've got my list. Scrolls up and I've got my icon, P for personal, C for class. If you hit edit, you see the minus pops up. Hit that, delete, pencil's gone. Hit cancel, ballpoint pens, and there's the detail. Black ballpoint pens. Ballpoint pens are your best friend. Got lunchbox. It says my lunchbox is shaped like a TARDIS. Yay! And then back to the main view. The only issue I had initially was that when I was setting up the delete, it only deleted the item name out of that array, and I forgot to add in the functionality to delete everything. So, for example, I deleted the pencils, and then ballpoint pen had the pencil description. So that's the only trouble I really ran into this week. Had a lot of fun with it though. It's learning quite a bit. But that's it for my review video. So thank you for watching and have a great day.